Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's Wednesday. We're gonna track down what's going on with the world economy and, of course, our major currency pairs. It's very interesting as finally this correction that we've been expecting for so long is happening right now. We definitely are following the trend, following the major the direction of the major currency pairs. And quick recap about the economic calendar, and we're gonna take a look at the charts. So Wednesday we had already CPI 7 a.m. GMT time for UK. Pretty normal to see the inflation going down a little bit from 1.8 to 1.7%. This is the CPI for yearly basis. We have in about 1 hour and a half German IFO Business Climate Index 9 a.m. GMT for the euro. Of course, we expect to see red numbers. Core durable goods for US 12:30 GMT and 2:30 GMT. Our lovely crude oil inventories. Crude oil is very interesting. We're gonna take a look in about a couple of minutes. And of course, for Thursday, just to remind you, retail sales for UK 7 a.m. GMT. Interest rate in UK 12. So according to the forecast, we expect to see increase of the interest rate from 0.1 to 0.25%, and gross domestic product for US 12:30 GMT on Friday. So let's take a look what's going on with the charts. We have the euro US dollar in front of us. The correction that we've been expecting reached 1.0880, our resistance level. Very big resistance level, of course, and very strong here. As you can see, it was tested. And I'm gonna wait just for a couple of days to see if the price is gonna bounce back, or it's gonna it's gonna go to test 0.0926 and 0.0991. It's not impossible, definitely. So we see some push to the downside here, but it's still nothing very convincing. Great British Pound, US, kind of similar price action. Correction to the upside. The drop here is significant, so we can see a significant correction to the upside as well. This is not going to be an uptrend, so definitely it's going to be a little bit dangerous to buy the Great British Pound currently. Just I would wait a little bit as the euro, and I would take short trades on it. Australian US, as you can see, absolutely the same. With the New Zealand dollar is exactly the same, so I'm not surprised whatsoever what is going on with the major currency pairs, as we did expect that. Exactly the same case like the GBP. New Zealand, exactly the same case. USD Canadian, no point to discuss one and the same thing. USD Canadian correction to the downside, so it's related to the crude oil, as you know very well. We've been expecting correction any moment of the crude oil. Be careful. I wouldn't trade crude oil for now. I wouldn't take any, especially any buy trades here, because it's super dangerous. Still, there is not a lot of demand worldwide for crude oil. You know what's going on. You know that the world trading is not so dynamic. It's actually not working whatsoever. The planes are not flying, so it's just crazy, absolutely crazy. Crude oil, I'm not gonna be surprised if we see even $10 per barrel, and which then could be a good buying opportunity, by the way, against the trend, but a little bit more fundamental trade. USD Canadian, if we see the crude oil dropping down to $10 following the trend, then we're gonna see Canadian going down as well, and USD CAD going up. So right now US dollar is in a corrective mode, so it's correcting to the downside. 1.40 is definitely going to be my support, and then I'm going to looking for buy opportunities on USD Canadian. For the crude oil, it's kind of similar situation. Either I'm gonna buy $10 if I see $10 per barrel. Probably I'm gonna buy crude oil huge, or if I see good sell opportunity, I'm gonna follow the trend. USD Swiss and USD Japanese. USD Swiss trying to push down and consider it a safe haven currency. We have very strong resistance here, as you can see, 0.99, 0.98. So it's a definitely good level to see the USD Swiss franc going down. What about the USD Japanese? Quite similar. USD is gaining strength. Japan is not in a very good shape, as you know. The cases of coronavirus there are too many. So Japan will it will take some time to see Japan recovering. So that's why simply right now the Japanese yen is not considered safe haven currency. Anyway, I still do believe that we're gonna see USD Japanese dropping down significantly. We got a very big drop. After that, the price simply went back to where it was middle of February, and I think we can see continuation to the downside from here. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, thumbs up if you like it, comments below, shares, and like us on the social medias. Go trade, because this time is absolutely perfect for trading. Just adapt to the current market situation, of course, and it's just very important to do proper risk management. Thank you very much for watching, and of course, have a very profitable week. Bye bye.